Hello and welcome back. Now in this video we're going to be talking about a motion tween, but just to remind you what we have just gone and done, when I press the play button we see that our spacecraft is moving across the stage in a straight line and we have used a classic tween. I also showed you how you could apply an ease to the classic tween in order to make the spaceship behave in a different way. So let's now go and talk about a motion tween. To set that up, I will want you to click on this keyframe, right click and clear it, and then right click on the tween and remove the classic tween. So a motion tween gives us more options. Instead of just having the object move in a straight line, we can now put bends in the path. So we create a motion tween just like we do with a classic tween. We want you to right click, motion tween, move the playhead, move the spacecraft, and what you'll see is a straight line, but this time you'll see the path. Now then, what we can do with the path is manipulate it. We can change it. I can bring up my cursor to the line and you'll see a little curve behind the cursor. I can hold my left finger down and drag it down or drag it up. I can move it to one side. I have lots of options. Let's go and put it here and see what happens. Let's press play. And what you can see here is that we've got dots that are closer together, and that's going to mean that the object moves more slowly, and then we've got them further spaced apart up here, which allows the object to move more quickly. Okay, so that's how we can put a bend into our path. Let's see if we can do something else. So now we want to put multiple lines into our path, and the way we do that is very straightforward. We can move our playhead along and we can move our spaceship, and you can see that we have created another keyframe, and we can keep on doing that. And I encourage you to move your spaceship wherever you like, make it a nice complicated path, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, so now let's move our playhead back and press play. So we've now got lots of motion with our spacecraft, but we can add other things as well. So this time simply click on your motion path area, open up the panel, and you will see rotate. Let's go and do some rotation. Make it counterclockwise, and I'd put in, say, 3. Close our properties panel, move our playhead to the beginning, and let's see our spacecraft roll. Okay, so that's rotation. I'm now going to take that off because I'd like to show you another feature. So click, and let's just say none for our rotation. We can also play with the resizing of an object. So what I want to do, I'm going to bring it back here, and I'm going to make the spacecraft appear that it's going to come nearer to us. So to do that, I need to click on my free transform tool, hold my shift button down and make it super small. Then I'm going to bring it all the way to over here, and I'm going to make it much bigger. Okay, so let's see what that looks like. And of course we can do the opposite. So let's see if we can give the appearance that the spacecraft is going away from us. So I've got my free transform tool, hold my shift button down, make that much smaller, bring it all the way back to frame 1, and make it much bigger. And let's see what that effect looks like. Okay, so we've had a little look at a motion tween, how to create one bend, how to create several, and then we've looked at rotation and resizing of an object. So go away, have some fun with that, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.